A strong thunderstorm will impact central Lancaster, northwestern
there's no EAS because
through 9:30 p.m.
there's no EAS.
At 8:49 p.m., the Doppler radar was tracking
Here's a pulse message.
thunderstorm over Lincoln, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include wind gusts up to
It's a
50
special weather
miles
statement
per hour.
for Nebraska.
This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact. Gusty winds could knock down trillions and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Lincoln Airport, Elmwood, Yankee Lake, Pawnee State Recreation Area, Manly, Denton, Palmyra, Walton, Bennett, Holmes Lake Park, Emerald, Syracuse, Pioneers Park, Alvo, Lincoln, Unadilla, Eagle, Conestoga State Recreation Area, Murdoch, and Waverly. People attending Lincoln Municipal Airport should seek safe shelter immediately.
Oh my God.
This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 390 and 412. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building.
Okay. Okay. So that was the special weather statement.
Okay, yep.
Without no EAS.
Okay, yep. Yep. That's it.
That's it.
That's it. February 25th, 26th.
The 25th.
Okay.
And the transmitter is finally back up. That's a good news.
Yep.
So yesterday it was down.
Okay. Tell Mom the microwave's down.
Mom, microwave is done.
Okay, just a second. And jump in and search the vehicle.
What's the diamond said?
That's it.
That's it.
That's it. That's it.
What do you say now?
That's it.
Say bye.
Bye.